In today's lecture, we are going to discuss about mathematical reasoning, that is Unit 5. In Oxford English Dictionary, reasoning is defined as the action of thinking about something in a logical and a sensible way. So, reasoning is essentially involving drawing a conclusion on the basis of our knowledge and the information given to us in a particular situation. So, in this chapter, the first topic that we are discussing is coding and decoding. Coding and decoding is the first portion in this unit. So, generally, coding and decoding is used to send some important information from one person to another. So, there will be a sender and a receiver. Sender will be coding and the receiver will be decoding. So, in coding and decoding, the first topic is DOP, that is direct order position. That means directly numbering the alphabet. A is equal to 1 and Z is equal to 26. So here A to Z, it is written and the corresponding number is given from 1 to 26. So it is very simple that you can write from A to Z and then you can just directly number it. That is direct order position or DOP. And there is another simple trick which is very easy that you don't have to write till this. You can just memorize EJOTY. So EJOTY corresponds to 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. So E is 5. So that G will be E, F, G. That is 5, 6, 7. So G position will be 7. Then here J is coming in the 10th position. And if I'm asking what is M, then you can say J, K, L, M. That is 10, 11, 12, 13. So M comes in the 13th position. So here T is 20. So if I'm asking what is U, then you can say TU. So that will be 21. So there is no need to write this much if you are remembering EJOTY. This is a simple trick. Now, how to solve direct order position problems? If a code is given, you are supposed to find the number for that. So here I am writing Liana and the corresponding number for L is 12. It is there given in the chart. L is 12. Then I will be 9. Then Y will be 25 corresponding to the numbers. Then again A, N and A is 1. So you can just practice it by writing your name or any random words. You can practice how to identify the direct order position. Next is reverse order position, that is ROP, where Z will be in the first position and A will be in the 26th position. So here you can see the position is reversed, A in 26 and Z in 1. And after that, pair of opposite. So that is A will be the opposite of Z, B opposite to Y, C opposite to X, D opposite to W. So this is ROP, reverse order position and pair of opposite. So direct order position, reverse order position and pair of opposites. So you will be doing coding and decoding using these three rules. Let's look at a practical example. So it is given Liana. So the direct order position for Liana as per the chart is 12, 9, 25, 1, 14, 1. So the reverse order is this. So there is another formula for finding reverse order. So for finding reverse order, you can use this formula, that is 27 minus direct order position. So here direct order position is 12. And if you want to find the reverse order, you can just do 27 minus 12. That will be 15. So the reverse order position is 15. Similarly, the pair of opposite. So the opposite for L is O, then I is R, Y is B, A is Z, N is M and A is Z. So this is the pair of opposite. So for better understanding, you can do one thing, your name, city, place or university, whatever it is, you can just write it and any random words you can write it and try finding the DOP, ROP and PO. And for finding ROP, you can use this equation, that is 27 minus DOP. So keep on practicing that so that coding and decoding will be easier for you. So this is the three basic formulas that you have to study in this particular coding and decoding chapter. So using these three formulas, then you can solve any questions coming from this topic.